Hi guys, don't you just love these monsoon season rainy days? But today we are going to hear about a donkey who hated rainy days all because he sneezed once. So let's start the story of the donkey who sneezed from Edith Blyton's bedtime stories. Once upon a time there lived a donkey named Doe. One day Doe caught a cold during the cold monsoon season. So he sneezed. Achoo! Then he sneezed a bigger sneeze. Achoo! Then he sneezed his bigger sneeze so fast. Achoo! And suddenly it started raining. Doe was so happy that his sneeze had finally caused some rain. And he pranced off to tell the ducks. Hi ducks, cried Doe. Look, I made all this rain happen. Wow, you are so clever. We can never make any rain happen. The donkey started feeling extremely happy. He danced away to the hen, who said, Hi donkey, are you here to get shelter from this rain? No, hen, said the donkey. I am here to tell you the reason of this rain. Do you know when I sneezed my biggest sneeze, this rain came? Oh wow, said the hen. This is so amazing news. Nothing happens when we sneeze. Donkey started feeling even more proud of himself. He started prancing and skipping on the way when he went to tell the goat. The goat was hiding in his sorry, I got a cough because of this monsoon season, like most of us will have. So the goat was trying to get into the shed where the horses were blocking his way. Hi donkey, are you also trying to get in? Now let's ram it with full force and it might burst open. No, said the donkey. Why would I want to get out of the rain? Do you know why I don't? I hate rain, but I am the one who started this rain. So I will never want to get out of it. So the goat suddenly got so excited that he rammed the gate with all his might. And all the horses came pouring out. So the horses asked, What's the matter, you silly goat? We are trying not to get wet. The goat said, Oh no, look at this donkey. He sneezed and he caused all this rain. Well, donkey, said the horses, we are not pleased with you. We don't like rain. So 3 days and 3 nights passed and the rain did not stop. By this time, most of the animals had got very angry with Doe. They went to him and told him, if you don't stop this rain right now, goat will ram you, the hen will peck you and the horses will stamp on your feet, said the animals. Poor Doe was terribly frightened. What could he do? How did he get himself into such a mess? The horses yelled, Stop this rain right now with your sleeves or we'll trample you. But as much as Doe tried to sneeze, he could not sneeze. A sneeze is not something we can do without it coming. So he tried, but suddenly he came up with an idea. He told them, Oh no, I can't sneeze, otherwise the ducks will be very angry with me and peck me. Whirr, growled the dog. If you don't help us, we shall bite you, ram you, trample you and peck you. So choose. So the donkey tried to sneeze and suddenly all the animals came rushing forward and pecked him with all their might, stamped on him with all their might and rammed him into submission while the dog kept biting around the donkey's ankles. Poor donkey cried in amazement. Hey, stop hurting me, look, the rain has stopped. And the donkey tried never to sneeze a single time afterwards. But obviously, we all know a sneeze is not something we can control. So, thank you. Next time we'll meet.